Masking and demasking reagents play a crucial role in complexometric titrations. Let's delve into their significance. Masking agents. Purpose: masking agents selectively prevent interference from unwanted metal ions during the titration process. Mechanism: they form stable complexes with interfering ions, preventing their reaction with the titrant. Examples: EDTA, ethylenediamine tetrashic acid, a common complexing agent used in complexometric titrations. It can mask calcium, magnesium, and other metal ions. Other masking agents include citric acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid. Application: by using masking agents, we ensure that interfering ions do not affect the determination of the metal ion of interest. Demasking agents. Purpose: demasking agents remove the masking agent from the metal ion of interest, allowing accurate titration. Mechanism: they form more stable complexes with the masking agent than with the metal ion of interest, displacing the masking agent. Examples: sodium cyanide demasks copper from EDTA complexes. Potassium iodide demasks mercury from EDTA complexes. Considerations: careful selection and control of demasking agent concentration are essential to prevent unwanted effects on the titration. In summary, masking and demasking agents enhance the accuracy and reliability of complexometric titrations, especially when dealing with samples containing multiple metal ions.
Joyson Classes.
The best for best.